How to open PDF file in laptop Windows 11. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. So the simplest way on opening a PDF file is just simply looking for that PDF file that you want to open and then just simply double clicking on it. And then after that, you'll be redirected here in your web browser in where you can access that said PDF file. But if you want to have some additional options for your PDF file, what you can do is to just simply download a software that's called Adobe Acrobat. There you go, Acrobat Reader. Search that up. And then from here, what you want to do is to just download this software. So I'll just click on download right here, and then after that we'll be redirected here. So to download it, what you can do is to just simply click on this download Acrobat Reader right here, and then from here what you want to do is to just make sure to read the add-ons right here. So if you want to install the McAfee Security Scan Plus, you can leave this box ticked, but if you don't want it, just leave it unticked and then just simply download Acrobat Reader. So for me, I'll just leave it unticked and then I'll now start downloading Acrobat Reader. So I'll just click on this, and then after that, it is now done installing. So I'll just open it up. There you go, just click on yes, and after that just wait for the installation to finish. And then there you go, so once it's done installing, just simply click on finish right here, and after that Adobe Acrobat will now open. So to start opening PDF files in Adobe Acrobat, just go click on menu right here and then just simply click on open. And after that, from here what you want to do is to just look for the PDF file that you want to open. So for me, I'll be opening this file right here. Click on it and then just simply click on open, and after that, that PDF file will now be opened. And then there'll also be some other settings right here that you can utilize in using your PDF files. So you can add comments, highlight some text, draw in this PDF file, fill in form fields, and add your signature or initials. And then on the right side over here, you'll also get access to some bookmarks in your PDF file if that is available. And then after that, you are pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to open PDF files in laptop Windows 11.